I do IT for a living, so I use a lot of air dusters like this. I also use a lot of keyboard vacuums like this. Let me show you what I think is best for you. I have been trying a lot of air dusters. I think they're better than compressed air because they never run out. They're rechargeable. They're just really quick and easy to use. But are these any good? Let me show you a test that I ran with my wind meter. This is the SOPYOU with a max of 52.5 miles per hour. And this is the Sukadar with a max of 48 miles per hour. This is the gogonova with a max of 42 miles per hour. And this is the Sunshine. And it was fast enough that it broke my meter. Let's just say this one's the fastest. Of all the cordless air dusters I tried, this one had the most power. This is the SOPYOU. Now this Sunshine one is corded, but as you can see from my test, this is by far the most powerful air duster. It broke my wind meter, so I can't tell you how fast exactly it went, but let's just say it's definitely a lot faster than all of the cordless ones. I use this all the time at work. This thing is amazing. The keyboard vacuums I have, obviously they're a little bit different as they are sucking the air in, but this gogonova is really truly unique as you can just take the vacuum part off, put this nozzle on the other end, and then it becomes a blower as well. Now it's not as powerful as the other cordless blowers, but I would say for versatility, that's pretty cool. So if you're looking to get either an air duster or a vacuum, which is actually best for you? The air duster is better in situations where you just can't get straight to whatever you're trying to dust out. So for like fans or hard to reach places, this is kind of your only option. Obviously, the big drawback with an air duster is you're just moving dust around. You're not sucking it up or anything like that. If you have access to whatever you're trying to dust, like a keyboard, for example, I would always recommend a vacuum for something like a keyboard or a desk or anything that you can actually move this on the surface of, because the brushes are going to help move the dust up and you don't need as much power with these just to suck the dust up. And obviously the main thing is it does suck up all the dust, so you're not just moving dust around, but you're actually collecting it so that you can throw it away later. If you think you're like me and probably need both units, then I definitely suggest the Sunshine for the air duster, and I really like the COLORCORAL for the vacuum. Now if you have to get a cordless version, then I'd recommend this SOPYOU. It works very well. And if you think an air duster or vacuum is something you're only going to use occasionally, then you should really look into this gogonova. I really like the versatility of this. I like how you can first vacuum things out, and then whatever you're not able to reach, you can just put this end in and you can blow it out. I think this concept totally makes sense. It just uses the same motor to blow or suck. This thing is really awesome if you just want to get one simple unit and use it for everything. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.